In this video, I'll be showing you how you add a border around a page on Microsoft Word. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. So now let's do this. So what we are going to do is we move to the design tab here. Design. Good. And you can see page border here. Tap on that. Good. And then after that, we can add any sort of edit we want. We can make it. Right now, we have none selected. We can make it a box. We can do some changes here. Easy. And then we change the color and all that. Can make it red. Yeah. To the side. This side as well. I mean, this, I don't know how to do design, but it's weird, but that's how you add page borders on Word. And you can see here and here is red and here is black. Let's revert our action and then let's try adding a new one, page border here. Normally for a professional document, it's just going to be something like black, yeah, or some dots. It's up to you. Let's choose something like this, a box once again, and let's do it something like this. And you see, we have our border around the page. That's it on how you add border around pages and also edit your borders you're trying to add around your pages on Word. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.